Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC. Do this now. Ground yourself to avoid static. Once done, open the case and locate the correct M.2 or PCIe slot, because slot choice affects antenna routing and performance. Remove the slot cover and position the Wi-Fi card at a 30 to 45 degree angle. This prevents connector damage. Make sure the card's gold contacts are clean and have the tiny mounting screw ready so you can secure it without dropping anything. You now press the card down and secure it to the standoff using the small screw. This ensures a solid electrical and mechanical connection. Next, attach the antenna leads to the cards labeled jacks. Press straight on, then rotate slightly if needed. Avoid forcing connectors. Route antenna cables toward the case's rear or top for best reception, and make sure they clear metal panels and large cables because obstruction reduces signal. Once everything is seated and routed, close the case but don't power on yet. You should enter BIOS to confirm the slot and onboard wireless settings are enabled. If disabled, the card won't enumerate. Boot into the OS and install the manufacturer drivers and firmware. These enable proper antenna switching, Bluetooth, and power management. Once drivers finish, reboot and verify the adapter appears in network settings and scans for SSIDs. If you don't see networks, reseat the card, swap antenna connectors, and recheck BIOS settings. That troubleshooting step solves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.